Hey traders, welcome to day 4 of the day trading strategy series. This is Thursday, July 26th, 2018, and with 2 hours till the London Open. Start off with the Australian dollar. This is the range that we have. Next is the pound dollar. Dollar yen. The euro. Dollar CAD. And lastly the Kiwi. And that will do it for now. Hey traders, the time now is 7:30 a.m. London time. I'm currently in 2 trades here. This is a breakout trade for the for the yen, and we have criteria is met for a pullback trade. Not exactly a pullback because it hasn't started to trend yet, but it's one of those setups that I take. For the pound dollar, I placed a limit order for the Australian dollar. Okay, we'll see if price will fetch this order. So currently 2 positions, 2 pending orders. We have big news coming out from the euro, from the ECB, which is later on towards the late London session hours. Okay, what that means is that price may stall for a bit until the news actually come out. Hey traders, we're about an hour and a half into the London trading session. I got stopped out quite a bit here in the beginning. I was whipsawed around. So far, we're down about 60 pips. Okay, I took some early exit here for this one, and these last 2 here. Okay, happens sometimes when we think that price would move one way, but instead it moves towards the opposite direction. Okay, that's just how the market works, but it's okay. Stick to your rules and be ready to pull the next trigger. Okay, so we're in the sell trade on the Australian dollar, the pound dollar, the euro dollar, and on the Kiwi dollar here. Okay guys, we're 2 hours into the London session. The market seems to be taking off, or at least about to take off in some of the pairs. If we're able to get a momentum that's big enough to reach our take profit levels, we should be able to recoup all the losses. It's funny, when I started the session, when I first saw what the dollar yen was doing, I immediately have a downside bias to this. This looks like a big downtrend, a pullback, then the market looks like it hasn't found its bottom yet over here. So I immediately have a downside bias. Okay, that's why I was glad to take the short here. But guess what? The market has its own way. Okay, it may even make another push to the upside before making another push to the downside. When I have a downside bias for this dollar yen pair, Immediately is quite the opposite for the pound, the euro, the Aussie, and the Kiwi. Okay, so earlier on, price was telling me to go short, but having that bias in mind, I was more keen on going long. Okay, and therefore I wasn't being very objective because the mind has its own way to trick us into seeing what we want to see. So instead of taking the short trades, I was actually more keen on looking for long setups. Okay, I was basically looking for setups that would tell me it's a fake out instead of a breakout to the downside. Okay, so this is a good lesson to learn. Always let the market tell you what to do. Hey traders, we're about 20 minutes away from the first red news release and about an hour away from the second one. The market hasn't moved a lot during the London. We're in a few profitable positions. We got stopped out here again. I bought a breakout off the highs here. Price reversed. So if it goes back up to the same spot, I'm buying again. Hey guys, we are right at the opening of the New York market right now. It's 8 a.m. New York time. The previous news 15 minutes ago did not have much impact on prices at all. Came out as expected. Okay, so we got triggered in the dollar CAD and the dollar yen here. And I'm currently in a floating profit of 400-ish dollars, and we're yet to recoup all the losses. In 30 minutes, there will be the press conference by the ECB. It may create some volatility, it may not. But anyway, I'm going to be trading all the way through the New York session. Okay, until hopefully we can reach our daily pip target, which is 50 pips. Okay guys, we're currently in the ECB press conference. You can see price dancing around, trying to pick its direction. It's going against us right now. As long as it's still outside the range, I'm not too afraid, okay? Okay, last video for the day. Closed out all my positions. We've reached our daily target. This is how much we ended up in profit. Basically, since the last update, price just took off to our intended direction. Okay, we hit our take profit level for the Australian dollar, the pound, the euro, and the Kiwi. Okay, and I had an early exit for the dollar yen and the dollar CAD right over here, just before this candle made a big spike down. I was already happy with what we got, so I didn't want to wait and hang on to these trades, these two trades here. Yeah, see these two early exits. Okay, so this is how we did today. And here's the spreadsheet for the day. Okay, total number of pips, 86. It's more than yesterday, but we did less in dollars. Okay, that's because of the commissions. Took a lot of trades today. 18 trades. The first 12 being losers. Okay, and the last 6, we managed to get everything back and end the day with a net positive. Okay, guys, so we've been trading for about 8 hours-ish today, 8 to 9 hours. It's been a long day, and I'm glad it turned out to be a positive day. I will see you guys tomorrow on Friday for the last trading day of the week.